Are you done? It's sunny there. You wanna there? You want in the sun? Okay, you want in the sun?
I need egg.
You need egg?
Oh, I play touch.
Oh, 3 years old.
Oh,
Hi, Maribel.
really big. Wow. Wow.
Where you going? This is Jilana's sandbox. You guys, I thought you're gonna be here. She's playing dirt. She's pretending making cake. Is that a cake, Jilana? Let me see your egg. Yeah, we do have a Roblox. Jilana, do you have a Roblox?
Yeah.
What's your name in the Roblox?
Winnie.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, she had a Roblox.
Egg.
Oh, you got an egg.
Red ball.
Thank you sa
Orange
patamsak.
juice.
Okay, bye, Julie.
Orange
Ellie.
juice.
Orange juice. Bye, Julie.
Oh no.
Ay, bye, Ellie. Say bye, Ellie.
Bye, Ellie. And me too.
She's going to sleep.
Cool.
She's going to sleep now.
Why?
Because it's late in their house. It's 11 p.m. Oh, Brittany, I know Roblox is addicting. Good night, Ellie. Oh, you have a Roblox too? Okay, we'll see you in the Roblox. Okay, bye, Ellie. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. You want egg?
Yeah, we eat egg.
You want to eat egg?
Yeah, we eat egg. Today?
Yeah. You found it?
Egg.
Oh, Phoenix?
I need toothpick.
Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe,
I need
Phoenix.
I have to do that.
Hi, hi. Mommy, what are you doing? No, Jilana is playing. Jilana, come here. Waiting for you. Alam, may mumu, oh. May mumu dyan. Ayan, mumu daw siya. You want water? Where you going? Salamat sa patamsak dyan.